everyone, so today I am going to be doing my first real-time YouTube video on my eyeshadow. It's a rainbow half-cut crease. Now I'm going to get some glitter. I'm going to be using this Revlon glitter.